In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use contact tags inside of dmtracker to sort your leads by priorities and different statuses so that you can easily filter for them inside of the follow-up board. Now, the first step for this is to go to your settings and navigate to the tags section. Here, you're going to be able to see your existing tags down below and add new tags with different color codes. Currently, we have hot leads, call booked, and other. We could, for example, add old lead as a tag, make it orange, and create the tag. Once you have your tags created here, you can navigate to the follow-up board, and in the follow-up board, you can click on leads and assign the tags that you want to the specific lead. For example, call booked. Once you've added in that tag, you now have that tag visible inside of your follow-up board, and you can filter by tags in the top right-hand corner where you can select a specific type of tag and see all follow-up tasks for a specific tag so that you can prioritize your leads accordingly. This is a great way for you to organize all of the leads inside of your dmtracker CRM, and it's the first step towards us building out a proper pipeline and CRM system for you to manage your Instagram DMs. If you have any questions about this or need help with setting this up, reach out to our support in the bottom right hand corner and we'll be more than happy to help.